Give a huge shout out to one of my followers on Instagram. My lookbook had my CA's information all over it. I actually received my lookbook, I believe it was like in January? No, December, I believe. But I couldn't share any information, and so she sent me an updated lookbook, crystal clear pictures. So thank you, and you know exactly who you are.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
Okay, so first, we already spoke on the beautiful Speedy 20s coming out in leather, the Nanogram Speedy 20s. 3 colors, black, blue, and pink. Here they go again. Guys, pre-orders are open. February 24th release date. We all know they're $3,100. Guys, no guitar strap, so get on this ASAP, okay? Very, very beautiful, very different, very popular size. The Speedy 20 has grown on me and so many others. So if you are interested, guys, reach out to a CA, call client services, get your pre-orders in now. Now that we spoke on the beautiful Speedies that are coming out, we need to speak on the wallets, the card holders to match. I see a pink. I also see a beautiful blue, guys. I'm super excited about this. The blue product code number is M82314. And the beautiful pink is M82234. Hop on these ASAP. Now, for the black, I do see a Zippy Wallet in the same Nanogram print. Product code number M82233. So we will have Victorine wallets, blue and pink. And we will have a Zippy wallet in the black Nanogram to match the black Speedy. I'm feeling like this is going to be too big for the Speedy or just right. I'm not sure why they did not come out with a Victorine in black. But hey, we do have other handbags that are coming out with this print and with the black color as well. So again, we have 2 Victorine wallets that are coming out, the pink and blue. And we have a black Zippy Wallet Nanogram that is coming out, and it also matches the Speedy 20, okay? The next handbag I want to speak on, guys, very cute, but I think it's going to be small. For some reason, it just reminds me of the double zip pochette. And I don't know. I just feel like it's going to be small, okay? It is called the Lexington Nanogram, okay? The Lexington Nanogram handbag. It is coming out in the beautiful black and also the beautiful pink. This is also going to be leather as well. They are giving us 2 straps, a chain and leather strap and a leather strap that seems to be adjustable, and both straps are detachable. Again, it is called the Lexington Nanogram. The black product code number is M82247 and the pink is M82232. Okay, I am super excited. Okay, so we have 2 Cousin handbags that are coming out. Okay, we have a Cousin PM Monogram glazed yellow, and it looks like an acrylic strap and a guitar strap, and the product code number is M22335. And we also have another one that's coming out, Cousin PM Monogram glazed black with a brown acrylic strap with a black guitar strap. Both straps, of course, are detachable. Product code number M22614. Very different. I am not into either of these Kusin handbags. The acrylic strap is a big no-no, but hey, you guys know how LV is. They're gonna stick that good tar strap on anything, and I guess the acrylic strap, they were like, hey, let me add something else that doesn't make sense, and that's exactly what they did. Okay, I have to speak on this because I showed my husband these handbags and he loved them. I do too. My husband like, oh my goodness, that's like a classic handbag, baby. I was so proud of him. So you guys know I already spoke on the Monogram, guys. You know, I'm super excited. The Monogram Clutch that is coming out with, of course, the vachetta. I wish it was treated vachetta or at least black leather, but I spoke on this. That is coming out as well. But I also have 3 new colors, guys, that are coming out. The Monogram Clutch Nanogram Black, which is very beautiful, very sexy, very classy. I love it, guys. The product code number is M22326. The Monogram Clutch Nanogram Blue, the same color as the Speedy, okay? Product code number M22325. And this is absolutely gorgeous. The Monogram Clutch Nanogram Red. I am really feeling this nanogram print, guys. It's just a change. It's something different, and I'm so glad that they actually added it onto these clutches as well. I wish it was like that for the Monogram, but hey, totally fine. It's okay. The product code number is M22327. So we have actually 4 handbags that are coming out. The clutches, okay? I'm gonna call them the clutch crew. One is just basically the classic monogram print, and we have 3 that are coming out in the smaller monogram print, which is called the Nano. The next handbag I want to speak on is the Loop Nanogram. We have 3 colors that are coming out. The first color is the Loop Nanogram Black. Product code number M22591. Loop Nanogram Blue. Product code number M22593. Loop Nanogram Red M22594. If you guys will look behind me, you guys know how, oh my God, I love this Marc Jacobs crossbody. You guys know I was looking for a red handbag to add to my collection, and I am really feeling this Loop Nanogram Red. I also have the classic Loop handbag in my collection. When this first came out, I fell in love with this handbag, and I'm still in love with this handbag. So beautiful with treated vachetta. So I would love to see this in red as well. So I'm super excited. Guys, I am excited about everything that's coming out so far, okay? We already spoke on the crossbody reverse monogram that's coming out, and the name, hopefully I am pronouncing it right. If I'm not, excuse me, I do apologize. The Tilsit monogram. Product code number M46548. All of these handbags, all of these wallets, card holders are coming out, launching February the 24th. Pre-orders are open. You need to jump on everything now, okay? I spoke on the Monogram Clutch as well. The beautiful S-Lock extra large black is coming out. The product code number is M82214. Take these product code numbers, send them to your CA. Call client services, guys. Go to the website, Louis Vuitton website. Contact client services. Provide the product code number, guys, and get your pre-orders in. Or call any LV boutique and speak to someone. Guys, communicate. If you really want the bag, if you're not near any type of LV boutique, Louis Vuitton boutique, get on the phone, call. There's so many CAs on Instagram ready to assist, guys. Stop making excuses. Stop saying that you don't have, a boutique near you. You don't want to wait and order online because it's going to be sold out. If you really want the handbag, you have the money, you save, sell some of the handbags in your collection and get what you want, okay? And guys, the beautiful key pouch is coming out, but they are calling it a pochette. Okay, product code number M46567. This is going to be very interesting. It is in the giant monogram print, the extra large monogram print, and I am super excited. I cannot wait to see this in the LV streets, okay? And we already spoke on the name tag extra large clutch. I do see that the strap is detachable and also adjustable. This is going to be very unique and kind of, I would say, scary because it's vachetta, guys. So go to Amazon, purchase 4 bottles of Apple Guard, and just be ready, okay? The same with the key belt extra large strap. All this vachetta. So go and purchase 4 more bottles of Apple Guard and you will be ready, okay? So guys, let me speak on this as well. I'm not sure. It seemed like it's like yarn. Like you actually can make this yourself, but it's unique. It's very cute. This is another Monogram Clutch. It's called Monogram Clutch LV Cafe. Hopefully I'm saying it correctly. If I'm not, I know someone will correct me in the comments. But very unique, very cute. No vachetta, but I also can see this staining and also tearing apart very quickly. Product code number is M22323. It is also coming out in a Capucine BB size. M22270. And also it was a few more that I wanted to speak on. Okay, so this right here, the twist lock in the Epi leather. Guys, I'm not sure if this handbag is just that small or they have the LV twist that big. I am so confused with this handbag, okay? I love the colors just as much as I love black and gold. So this is the black and silver hardware. The chain seemed like it's so big for this handbag. So I'm very interested in seeing how that's going to go. I actually want to try this handbag on. It comes with an adjustable and detachable strap, a leather strap. Again, guys, looking at the picture, I'm not sure if the chain strap is detachable. But again, we will find out soon because release date is February the 24th, okay? So I wanted to also speak, I was just going to speak on handbags and kind of break this video up a little bit, but I wanted to speak on these shoes, these Time Out sneakers. As you guys can see, I have a collection of Time Out sneakers here behind me. Okay, these are Time Out sneakers here. And so these are beautiful. This is very unique. Very unique. I love how they have the LV symbol smack right there at the front and the vachetta tag that's attached. I wonder if you can get that hot stamped. I know, guys, I know, but very cute. They have it listed as Time Out Sneaker Nude. Price $1,310. Hey, to me, unique, different. You also have to worry, of course, about the vachetta. So you can't wear if it's raining or if it already rained, because once you step down, it splashes. Hey, it's going to be destroyed. But again, it looks like treated vachetta. So I don't know basically until I see it. But hey guys, it's worth the risk. I love those shoes. I love those shoes. And I also want to speak on this this bag charm. It's the Nanogram Icon Gold. As you guys can see, I have on a Nanogram necklace. And I love it so much. I have the matching bracelet. So this is going to be cute. It seems like it's a mixture of gold and silver. And it will go perfect on your handbag. The price is $770. Product code number is M01314. So guys, I am only going to go over the handbags, and the rest is ready to wear and more fashion jewelry, but we will go over that in another video. So guys, you have the pictures of the handbags that are being released February the 24th. Let's talk amongst ourselves in the comments, guys, and let's be positive, okay? Let's be positive. I mean, I understand if you don't like some of the handbags that are coming out, but if someone else does like a handbag, hey, just keep scrolling. You don't have to come in and say, oh, that's ugly. I don't see why you're buying it. That's a waste of money. You're not paying their bills. You're not going to buy the handbag for them. Let them live. Hell, come on, man. Let them live. Let me live, okay? I'm the next creative director for us, so let me do my job. I'm joking, guys. So, guys, again, let's talk in the comments. What do you have your eye on? What have you already pre-ordered, guys? I'm super excited. Tomorrow is Handbag Bestie Friday. Have your wine, because we are going to go over this again, and probably some of the ready-to-wear and fashion jewelry. As always, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next video. Mwah. I love you guys so much. Bye-bye.